Ohambweni lukaShuthufatso Musida lwaseLimpopo obelungena osukwini lwesibili namhlanje belizwakala ngezingoma zesivenda nomdanso. Uphinde wahambela nekhaya lezingane kanye nosomabhizinisi abancane.
Today in South Africa was here. She was working out here around us. We see that there is a need that we can get from South Africa, as you see that there is a lot of things that we don't have, like shades.
Ushuthu ubonge ukwesekwa akuthola emphakathini.
I am happy to be back home. I am grateful that you're happy to see me. It really warms my heart.
Inkosi yabavenda uThoni Mphephu Ramabulana unxusa ukuthi esekwe uShuthufatso.
She's our daughter. She has made us better people as a nation. I then say to you, she's back. We had sent her, now she has returned. I ask that we support her on all social media platforms.
uShuthufatso ulindeleke ukuthi aphothule lolu hambo lwakhe lwezinsuku ezintathu esigodini adabuka kuso iBangani ngaseVuwani kusasa.